Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will discuss the current affairs and some very important legal GK facts. So we will continue with the current affairs. The first one is Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh announced Malerkotla as state's new district. So Malerkotla will be the 23rd district of the state. Malerkotla is a Muslim majority town, part of the Sangrur district, and is located nearly 35 km from the district headquarters in Sangrur. Next one. Indian Army inducts first batch of women soldiers in the military force. The Indian Army on 8th May induced its first batch of 83 women soldiers in the military force. The induction of the first batch of women soldiers in the military police is the first instance where the women have been placed in the non-officer category. Next one. New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern topped Fortune's list of the world's 50 greatest leaders, and CEO of Serum Institute of India, who is Adar Poonawalla, is the only Indian among the top 10 names on the list. Next one. Who becomes the first woman finance minister of Assam? And she is Ajanta Nayok. Four-time MLA Ajanta Nayok became the first woman finance minister of Assam, and she would also hold the social welfare portfolio. Next one. Who has been appointed as the head coach of Indian women's cricket team? And he is Ramesh Pawar. He has returned as the head coach of the women's team after the BCCI, which is Board of Control for Cricket in India, decided to hand over the role to him ahead of the team's tour to England. He was the head coach of the team in the year 2018, but he was replaced after T20 World Cup due to fallout with Mithali Raj. Next one. Right to pollution-free environment comes under which article? So the article is 21, that is right to life. Human rights cannot be secured in a degraded or polluted environment. The fundamental right to life is threatened by the soil degradation and deforestation and by the exposures to the toxic chemicals. Hence it comes under the Article 21, that is right to life. Next one. Chief Justice of India, Shri N.V. Ramana, launched a mobile app that will allow journalists to view the Apex Court virtual proceedings live on their mobile phone. The virtual event to launch the app was attended by Justice A.M. Khanwilkar and D.Y. Chandrachud, as well as Justice Heman Gupta and Supreme Court Secretary General Sanjeev S. Kalgonkar. Next one. In which case was Section 66A of IT Act, that is Information Technology Act 2000, struck down? So the case was Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. Supreme Court in a landmark judgment struck down the Section 66A of the IT Act 2000, which provided provisions for the arrest of those who posted allegedly offensive content on the internet, upholding freedom of expression. The Section 66A defines the punishment for sending offensive messages through computer or any other communication device, and the conviction of it can fetch a maximum of 3 years of jail and a fine. Next one. In which case of the Supreme Court of India gave the legal recognition to third genders? So the case was National Legal Service Authority versus Union of India. The Supreme Court in National Legal Service Authority versus Union of India case has given the legal recognition to the transgender community by mandating that they be treated as third gender, thereby doing away with the binary understanding of the gender. Next one. Right to Information Act 2005 secures access to information, which is under control of the public authorities. This act provides for the right to information for citizens to secure access to the information under the control of public authorities in order to promote transparency and accountability in the working of every public authority. Thank you friends for watching this video.